Louis, when was the last time we did a Dollar Tree haul on this channel? It was a while ago. Well, you know what? Today I have some beautiful new items from the Dollar Tree for spring and summer. And you know what? We are going to do a fun haul. Louis, did you want to go down? I think Louis is gonna go down, maybe go get some water. And we are going to get started on this haul. The first thing I picked up is an 18-inch wreath form. I have not been running into these very often, so I had to. It has 3 rows, and I thought we can, I don't know, just play around with some methods using this particular wreath form. Then, of course, Easter is over. I finally got a chance to buy the Easter egg wreath forms. That's why there were no Easter egg wreaths this year, because I just did not have the forms, and of course after Easter I found them. Then we have the bicycle wheel wreath form. I love this wreath forms. I do centerpieces with it sometimes. That rose right there, this is how it's made. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description box below. But I absolutely love this wreath form. Then I picked up some frames. I picked up some 8x10 frames and 11x14. They were just so big, and I have some ideas floating around in my head, and who knows, you know how it is. And of course, here's the one everyone's been waiting for. I got the shell one. I was not able to find the mermaid one, but I did find a few of the shell ones. So we'll see what we can do. These are not very deco mesh friendly wreath forms, but you can definitely make some beautiful, beautiful wreaths with these. Then I found a black bead wreath form. I have the neutral color one, or is it white? One of those, but it's not black. But this is all painted, ready for you to go, and it would just look so beautiful with some bright flowers on top. Oh, this is a beautiful wreath form, very simple, very elegant, and I thought I'd pick it up. Here is a charger I bought at the Dollar Tree. I got 8 of these because I know I wasn't gonna find them, and now I'm like very tempted to go back and buy a few more. These, I guarantee you guys, these are gonna be sold on Amazon for $8 in, you know, as soon as somebody gets a hold of a bunch of these. These are right now at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. If you like to host parties, $1.25 for a charger like this is absolutely, like, it's a great, great price. You cannot beat that. And by the way, let me just show you a little closer. It's just this elegant cornflower blue with some brown to kind of accentuate the design of it. And this would be really, really beautiful for a seascape kind of table setting. So I don't know, maybe I'll get inspired and I'll do a tablescape. But I just thought that was just such an amazing deal. Then I bought a grad gift bag and some signs. I have a lot of signs left over from previous years, but I did pick up a few that kind of, I don't know, that spoke to me. I thought the blue and the white just looked so beautiful. I love that color combo, and so I had to pick that up. Then look how big this is. This is huge, and it says welcome. I just thought it would be just nice, neutral kind of wreath. Then I got one of these. It's a wooden bee on a little honeycomb. Then I got one of these, Find Me by the Sea, with a sweet little seahorse. What do you guys think of this little painting? I know that, I'm sorry about my light reflecting on it, but look how cute this is for a bathroom or a wreath. This is actually my bathroom colors. My bathroom colors are like a teal, gray, and white, and I thought this would match so nicely. And I love using these when you're doing a specific wreath and you don't have any holes like you have in the signs. You can attach your pipe cleaners to the frame itself. The reason I'm kind of passionate about this sign is because I want to encourage you to also look by the paintings, not just by the signs. You can find some beautiful, beautiful inspirations right there by that artwork section where they have like different kinds of these, different sizes. There's longer, bigger, shorter. And you can definitely get inspired just looking through there, because I almost took 3, but I was like, Nadia, you need to come down. I have a long list of things I need to do right now, but definitely don't pass up that little art section. Then I got some red felt. This is probably going to end up being for Christmas, but at Christmas, it's hard to find sometimes. So I was like, you know what, let's just get that, just to be safe. Next, I got some mesh ribbon. This is my #1 item besides my Wreath Forms, obviously, that I look for every time I'm at the Dollar Tree. And I get this funny face when I see these. And I take as many as I can. Usually, it's just so hard to find. Usually, I'll get like, I don't know, 3, 2, 5 maybe. But when I see these, I take whatever's left, because these are just so fun to use. Even at $1.25, I think they are still worth it. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful ribbon. Just adds so much elegance and, you know, schmanciness to a wreath. It just does. Then I got some garland. I got some blue garland. I don't know why, I just felt like I didn't have any, so I picked 2 up just in case. I got some wooden beads. I was thinking of putting this on a tier tray that I'm going to do for, you know, for 4th of July and for Memorial Day. Then I got some glitter vase fillers. The reason I'm showing you these, I have a lot of questions. People ask me where I get the little bubbles I put on the wreath. These are them. They're called vase fillers, and they're super nice because they're so light and they're not going to drag your deco mesh down. It doesn't matter how weak your deco mesh is. These are amazing. I just love how budget friendly these are and what a difference they make on a wreath. I've used them on New Year's wreaths, on some summer, just you can use them on anything really. Just pick the right color. And if you don't find them in the seasonal, I always say go to the wedding baby aisle. That is where you're going to find the pink and white, blue and white. But if you need the white, just grab it. You're going to end up using the blue maybe for, I don't know, for a winter wreath or something. These vase fillers are always good to have on hand to spruce up a wreath that you think is just kind of missing something, you know? Do you guys feel it? I feel like I'm just like this energy ball. I can't stop talking. I'm so sorry. But you know what? You get what you get with me. The next thing I got is this. It's 4th of July, USA. I have a little heart. I have a flag. The reason I like to buy these 3 sign bundles is because you can use them on swags, and you can use 2 of them. You can use 1 of them. You don't have to, you know, obviously use all 3. And then in the same token, I picked up these. You can use them all together. You can use them separately. How adorable are these? So I got a little sea themed ones, or ocean themed. So maybe I did go a little overboard on the picks, but let's just keep in mind, just remember how much we paid for picks at craft stores. Now it's only $1.25. And, you know, let's do a lemon one. Look at this. For $1.25, you have 2 lemons, you have greenery, you have this, you have that. And I always say, if you don't know how to decorate a wreath, grab 2 of these, face them against each other, and throw something in the middle. Throw a flower. If you don't know how to make a bow, throw a bow. Bam, you have a wreath. That's it. So I always buy these in pairs, but the lemon ones I bought a lot of because I want to use it on my tier tray, or I want to do a wreath where I fill it with these lemons, and I couldn't stop. I just kept on throwing them in my cart. I don't know what to tell you. So I did get a lot of the lemon ones, and I still feel like I could get a few more. Just saying. Next, we have some sour apples or green apples. Look how good they look. And the little flowers and the little greenery. Then we have red apples. And you know what? In fall, maybe they won't have them. But guess what? You can make a beautiful fall wreath using these. Look at these. They also had pear, but I really don't have decor for pear. And they also had oranges. Oranges have been kind of in lately. It's just not my thing. But if you like oranges, same thing. Cuteness overload. You get like 2 different oranges and greenery. As I said, cuteness overload. I know I'm all excited about it, but for $1.25, you guys, $1.25. Then I did get some florals, just 2 of these. As I say, more than likely, I'm going to end up eventually using them on a wreath like this. So I did get 2 of those. I got some pink ones. I always say, if you don't know how to put bouquets together, you don't have to. Buy a few picks. That's it. Just look at everything that's on there. The only thing I do recommend when using anything from the Dollar Tree is give it extra security. Give it a little bit of hot glue on the connections just in case they're not holding on well. But that's pretty much it. These next ones just warmed my heart. Look at the elegance. Look at the fuzziness of the yellow. I thought they were so cute. Here's the back. Here's the front. And I did get 2. Probably should have gotten more. But just look at how pretty these are. Very elegant. You can definitely add them to a lemon tier tray or a display if you're doing that, or maybe a wreath, because it gives that beautiful pop of yellow. Next, I picked some of these up. I don't necessarily consider them spring because they do look frosty. They work better for Christmas, but I picked them up because might not find them at Christmas, and I might have to go back and get more of these because they're beautiful. Look at this. Some more greenery. If you are interested in doing the wreath I just made, the year-round wreath, this would be really beautiful greenery for that. And it's a pick. Look at this. Or if you want to add some flowers to it, just imagine this with some yellow in it. Oh, so beautiful, right? But this is a great greenery pick, and it looks good. The quality looks really good, which just, you know, made my day. Then I did get some berries. I thought they were so cute, and I had an idea for a wreath, but I was only able to find 1. So I will be out and about in about a week or 2, just waiting for them to restock, and I'm hoping to get some more. Last but not least, some coastal picks. These are so cute. Now, I got the darker set. There's also a lighter sagey kind of set, but I did get the darker one. They only had 3 of the darker ones. They were so pretty. I think that's why they were gone. And then I did get the darker seahorse. The seahorse also comes in a darker and a lighter shade, but I thought it was really cute, and it has a little seaweeds going on over here, but I thought that was just adorable. Look at this little seahorse right in there. What do you guys think? I thought Dollar Tree really stepped it up with the florals this year. The picks are amazing because you can throw them in a vase, you can use them in your wreaths. There's things at Dollar Tree that are worth the money. The picks are worth the money, in my opinion, in my little humble opinion, and of course the Wreath Forms. So with that being said, thank you so much for being with me and spending some time with me, and I will talk to you in the comments because that's one of my favorite places. I love chatting with you guys. Thank you so much for being with me, for being patient throughout this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.